I'm Leslie Stockton, Senior Kitchen Writer at Wirecutter. Here's why investing in a great chef's knife will make every home cook's life better. Number 1, versatility. A great chef's knife can handle any type of cut, from fine dices and juliennes to large rough cuts. Try doing this with a flimsy grocery store knife. And if you hone your skills a bit, a well-made chef's knife can tackle 95% of your daily slicing and dicing. Number 2, comfort. A good chef's knife should accommodate your particular cutting style. For example, if you rock the knife from tip to heel, you'll want a blade with a curved edge. However, if you cut with a push-pull motion, a flatter edge will give you more control. Our top pick is a hybrid of these two and is great for both cutting styles. Number 3, durability. A properly cared for chef's knife will last you decades if you take care of it properly. The blade will stay sharp longer than cheap knives and won't chip or bend as easily under stress. In the long run, you'll save more money than having to replace several cheaper knives over the years. So how do you take care of your new knife? Don't store it in a drawer. A magnetic strip or knife block is preferable. Wash by hand, please don't ever put it in the dishwasher. Acidic food residue will dull your knife faster, so rinse it off immediately after cutting a lemon or citrus fruit or even tomatoes. Also, don't leave your knife in standing water. They say these blades are stainless, but they're not impervious to moisture. Just rinse your knife off as soon as possible, dry it off, and put it away, but not in a drawer. Try that with a grocery store knife. Give me the axe! Oh my, look at that.